Hello! So I'm in my closet, and if you don't know, I just moved back in with my parents, and I do have a video of me moving back in with my parents. So the whole move, you should go and check that out. Today's video is on this right here. I didn't even know that I had this much clothes. There's a lot that I have to go through and organize. It's literally 9 p.m. I need to sort some of it out or else I will be stressed out. So I guess we're gonna start. Here's my little dog, Betsy, and all of her toys literally everywhere. Just to let you know, this is my first ever walk-in closet, which I've never had before. You can see my issue right here. I need to start, I need to do this. We'll see what I can get done today. First, I do need to get my suitcase out. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm just gonna start hanging everything. Why am I out of breath? So as you can see, I do have shoes, which I will do at the very, very end. My pants and stuff will go here. Jackets, outwear, tops and stuff like that. Look, a shower cap for like a literal child. Look at the size of this. So this happened, and how do you even, what's the next step? What am I supposed to do? Look, a dirty sock, pads. This is the situation, by the way. I put my pants away, skirts, sportswear, pants, jeans, and more pants, whatever that is. And then this. For now, I put it in a bag. I'm gonna put it there. Gym bag is also going into my room closet. PJs are also going into my room closet. Look what I found, another swimming cap. This is ridiculous. I have a lot of scarves and I just don't know what to do with it. Do I hang them? So many scarves, so many, so many. So for now, I'm gonna hang the scarves there just to get some room cleared out. This will do. And I literally wear the same one gray scarf every day when I have other scarves. And then I complain, I have nothing to wear. What do you mean? This is my favorite scarf ever. There you go. You got a tie. I'll wear it for now because I don't know what to do with it. What I could do, what I could do. Right around the love, right around the truth, right around the dick. So I think I'm done for today. I'm quite tired because I've been moving all day, but I'll see you tomorrow. I'm back. It's the next day and I'm back in my closet and I got more clothes hangers. I got 8 of them, so 2 4-packs. I was thinking about getting more, but in my head, if I had more empty ones hanging around, I would think, ooh, I need to buy more clothes because I have something to hang them on. So that's the little update. What I'm about to do is continue and start organizing whatever that is. Stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I dropped 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you knocking off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We've done well. At the moment, we have random stuff left. So, pepper spray, random sandals, tissues, gym towel, Q-tip, dog collar, a camera piece, I don't even know, another scarf, old keys, a broken top. These are my random tops. I don't like the scarf situation. It's ugly. I want to do something about it. So I figured out what I want to do. I'm going to do this. We grab a scarf, you put it through, grab the hole, and do a little like knot or something. There's no way I'm just going to keep 3 scarves on one clothes hanger. What if I do like this? Okay, look. Grab a scarf, put it through, grab the other bits.
Too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame.
I'm really mad about this. Look! Do you think I can keep it like that? Is this problematic? Or is this cute? What if I just... No. Oh, well. Am I a genius? What do you think? Like, it's not that bad, right? I really can't be bothered. I think this is fine. I'm just gonna hang it here. So I put literally the two that I had nowhere to place up there. And I do use them daily. They're hidden. Then I got my dresses. Now I need to think of the bag situation, aka everything that's on the ground. So I have these shoes, oh god, that I'm gonna put in my closet. I have an idea. So my bags are gonna go on top of these very old Pradas. Super cute.
Too sexy for this too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for the life, too sexy for that jack, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game.
So now it's time for my favorite part. Shoes. Heels, boots, sneakers, just everything.
Not around, I feel you, boy. I feel you, boy.
So this is what I do not want. I do not want. These give me the 1600s, Jane Austen, Pride and Prejudice. These give me Kim Kardashian. Not my vibe. By the way, I'm not throwing these out. I'm selling them or giving them away. Guess what? I finished. Are you ready for the grand reveal? 3, 2, 1. There you go. There it is. I don't even know where to start. I'm so proud of myself. Let me give you a quick tour. So, heels. Then we have tops. All sort of tops. Kind of color coordinated. A little bit. Bags. Handbags. Handbags. My Valentinos. That my mom gave me. Then we have jeans, pants. Pants, flared pants, sweatpants, and a pair of leggings. At the back is my gym wear and a gym towel, and yep, you can see that. I kind of just chucked it away. I will get to it later. This is a box of random tops that don't fit anywhere. Then this is skirts and shorts and all of that, biker shorts, summer wear. Then we have more shoes, casual, not casual. Then we have my blazers. Most of them are double hanged because I don't know what to do. Sweaters, windbreakers, coats, dresses, and then we have scarves and towels. And that's it. I'm done. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. I'm very tired. That took 2 hours and then 2 hours yesterday. So 4 hours of organizing. And I love you. Have a great day. I'll see you later.